Welcome back to Coding Easy. In this session, we will learn the basic Hello World program in Java and all the commands which we had used in our previous video. So, let's start today's session. Before proceeding to the session, let's understand some important concepts first. What is a programming language? A programming language is a computer language used by developers or programmers to communicate with computers. Like we humans use to communicate ourselves with different languages. Similarly, there are different programming languages are also available. Java is one of them. So, to write a code in Java, we have to follow some steps. Let's understand. First, to write our code, we need an editor. You can use any text editor software available on your computer. Here, we are using Notepad. Open your text editor. Here, we will write our Java code. Everything in Java should come inside a class. Simply we can say, class is a container which holds all the required codes. So, in the first line, we have to declare the class. To declare, we will write the syntax, class, space, class name. You can give any name. After that, there will be one opening and one closing braces. Now, we have declared the class and we will write our code inside these curly braces. Every Java program requires a method to run, that is called main method. Here is the syntax. Public static void main string arguments. Then again, two starting and ending curly braces. Now in this program, we want to print Hello World output. So, to print Hello World, we will write the syntax system.out.println. Inside these braces, we will write our message within double quotes. After that, we will end the instruction using a semicolon. Now, to run our program, first we will save this file with any name, but the file extension should be .java. After that, open command prompt. Now, go to the directory where you have saved that file. We have saved our file in desktop, so we will go to desktop directory by typing cd space desktop. as Java is a compiled programming language. To run, first we have to compile. To compile, we will write the command javac space filename.java. After compile, here you can see a .class file has created, which means our code compiled successfully. Now, to run our program, we will write the command java space class name. Here you can see our desired output is printed. Which means we have successfully executed a Java code and got our desired output. Hello world. In the next session, we will learn how all these things works internally. We have written some basic CMD commands in the video description. Kindly check it out for more information. So, that's it for today's session. We will meet in the next session. Till then, goodbye.